Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how pro traders quickly figure out exactly how much to risk on a trade, or how to visualize their potential reward before clicking that buy or sell button, then you're going to love today's tutorial. We're diving into how to use the position tool on TradingView to size your trades confidently and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll know how to plan every trade with clear risk management and never guess your position size again. Let's jump right in. To start, head over to TradingView and open up the chart you want to trade on. Now look to the left-hand toolbar. You're searching for an icon that looks a bit like a diagonal ruler or arrow. Sometimes it can blend in among the other chart tools, but it's called the Prediction and Measurement Tools menu. Give that a click, and you'll see a few options pop up. If you're planning to take a long position, that means you're looking to buy in hopes the price will go up. Choose the Long Position tool. If you're thinking about shorting or selling to profit from a falling market, pick the Short Position tool instead. It's like picking the right brush before you start painting. You want the right tool for the strategy you're applying. Next, let's actually get the Position tool onto your chart. Click once on the chart exactly where you intend to enter your trade. This spot should be your planned entry price. It doesn't have to be perfect. TradingView lets you adjust it, but you'll want to start in the right ballpark. Now comes the fun part. You'll see a little box pop up with a colored band stretching above and below your entry. Go ahead and drag the top of the box to set your take profit or TP, the price where you want to exit with a profit. Then drag the bottom of the box to define your stop loss or SL. That's your safety net, the price where you'll exit to protect yourself from bigger losses. Think of this like mapping out the field of play. You're drawing out the boundaries for your trade before you're ever in the game. Once it looks close, you should fine-tune things. Right-click the Position tool and choose Settings. Here, where this tool really shines. You can set your exact account size, say $10,000, so your calculations are based on your real capital. Decide how much of your account you want to risk on this trade. Many experienced traders stick with 1%. It keeps your risk consistent and manageable. Enter your planned entry price, stop loss, and take profit right into the tool for accuracy. TradingView will then do all the number crunching for you. It'll display your ideal position size, how many shares, contracts, or coins you should trade based on your risk, and it'll show your risk-to-reward ratio, as well as your potential profit and loss at a glance. This takes all the hard math out of the process so you can focus on strategy instead of spreadsheets. Now let's talk about what you're seeing on your chart. The red zone below your entry price represents your risk. That's the worst-case scenario if your stop is hit. The green zone above your entry shows your potential reward if your take profit is reached. Smack in the middle, you'll see real-time stats like your risk-reward ratio, position size, and exact dollar amounts you stand to gain or lose. It's like having a cockpit dashboard for your trade. You get visual feedback on everything that matters in real time. So why use the Position tool? For one, it keeps you disciplined and helps prevent the temptation to risk too much on a single idea, saving you from the pain of over-leveraging your account. It automates the sometimes confusing calculations for position sizing, making sure every trade fits within your risk parameters, no matter what you're trading. Just as importantly, it forces you to see your risk and reward side by side before you commit, helping you stick to a consistent trading plan and not trade on emotion or gut feel. Alright, that's the basics and honestly the power of the TradingView Position tool. Try it out next time you're planning a trade and see how much more confident you feel. If you found this walkthrough useful, be sure to hit the like button, and if you have any questions about using the tool, let me know down in the comments. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, and happy trading!